How to send a snap to everyone at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can send a snap to everybody at once, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to send snaps to everybody at once, whenever you open the Snapchat application and then you happen to take a snap, you tap the next option and you will have to select all these people one after another. But that's not what you want to do. You want to make sure to select all these people at once. To do this, you just have to create a shortcut. As you can see, one of the shortcuts that I've created here in this emoji icon, this is one shortcut. If you also want to create a new shortcut, tap the plus icon, tap on new shortcut here. And now simply choose an emoji for the shortcut so that you can recognize it later. Once done, simply make sure to add the people that you want inside of the shortcut. Over here you have to select all the people if you want to send to all of these people at once, right? Now once that you do that, tap the create shortcut option. And now what happens is that next time whenever you take a snap, you tap the next option. You have to select the shortcut that you just created, which is this one in this case. And once I've done that, I can choose to select all, and once I select all, I can just tap this little arrow icon here in order to send the shortcuts and the snap to everyone at once. This way you can send a snap to everyone at once. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.